just once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine.
Right, this is a bit of an unusual one today. Basically, Alison's car coming for a service, and upon entering that shutter door and bringing it in, I heard a lot of clacking and fucking basically grinding noises coming from the engine. So instantly I knew what it was. I knew it was a turbo. So we previously checked the turbo and the health on it was pretty okay, and if I dig the video out in time I'll put it up in here. There was very little play on it, but you know, these things happen. So what we're going to do is replace it because the turbo cartridge has come today. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to show you how difficult it is to access. Because unlike the Audis, it's similar setup. Well, it has identical setup. But instead of using basically 10mm nuts, they use these. Now this is a problem. We take this first off to get the cartridge out, so you've got to take this off and then you can get the oil feed pipe and etc and just work your way back over. It saves taking the engine out and all of your bull that comes with it. Now by putting these on, you cannot get one of them into the last bolt that's on it. Now you can try turning it, but it still isn't enough to get that last bolt. So what we're going to do is replace them today, and we're going to get this in. So I'll get this in now and we'll go from there.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
So what we're going to do with this is now is put it back together, put all the pipes and everything back on, and I think she's ready to go. All we're waiting for now is the part to come with the wing mirror so we can get that.
Loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time.
So what we're going to do with this is now is put it back together, put all the pipes and everything back on, and I think she's ready to go. All we're waiting for now is the part to come with the wing mirror so we can get that. And then, like I said, there's adding no play on that turbo shaft, so... This next proud owner of a Scirocco. Just waiting for her to crash it. Thanks for that, bud.
Thank you.
Wait until I send a bit.
What are you doing with you?
Yeah.
That's not allowed.
I thought I'd film you.
I need about 50.10 man right now in the corner.
That's why I've done it. Smile, proud owner of a Scirocco. Hang on, so tell you, stop, come. Go for it. Stop it on the other side of the road.
That's in the wall!
And done.